Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to cook this meal. This is a Thai style omelette. We need eggs, green onions, and soy sauce. For tuna curry, we need tuna, green bean, curry paste, milk. You can use any kind of milk you have at home, and fish sauce. Today I'm using 4 eggs. I'm going to crack 4 eggs in a bowl. And I'm using a fork to mix yolk and white together. I'm going to add a little bit soy sauce and then mix it up. I use 3 of the green onions. I'm gonna cut it in half and stick together, and then we're gonna have a bigger bunch, and then we cut it small chunk. Or you can cut it even bigger or smaller, up to your style. And after cutting, we are going to put this in the eggs that we mixed it earlier, and then stir it, mix it, and prepare for your hot pan. Now, put your pan on a high heat and put oil in the pan. Wait for it hot. While you wait for the oil to get hot, you can do some exercise like squat in front of your stove, or you can sing, you can dance, whatever you want to do. I always do squat when I'm waiting for my cooking to get hot, because you cannot leave, you have to wait for it. Okay, now the oil is already hot. I'm gonna take the eggs mix and put in a hot pan. Let me know what are you guys doing while you waiting for the oil to get hot. I just want to have some more idea. For Thai omelette, we always let it cook. It's gonna look like some kind of pancake, and then we usually flip it so it's look like it's circle and round. Right now, I'm trying to flip it, but I cannot. So I try my best. Come on, let's flip it. So I think I should wait a little bit longer so it can be easier to flip. Let's see how it works. So now even I cannot flip it like a circle, but the color of the omelette looks so good for me. It's not burned. It's look yellow, a little bit brown. So another side should cook it in the same way. So it should be this kind of colors. And now my omelette is ready. Next, get ready to cook tuna curry. We start with cutting green bean. We can also put bamboo shoot, eggplants, or peppers. Next, I will cut tuna into small chunks. Prepare to open the can of curry. We will use half of the can. In the same pan that we cooked the omelette earlier, we don't need to clean it. We just add oil into the pan on high heat. Put tuna in and stir fry. Add curry paste into the pan and mix them up. Now the whole house smells spicy and hot. Now we are adding green bean in. Keep stirring and mixing them up. Now, get the milk. It can be whole milk, coconut milk. Today, I only have hemp milk at home, so I'm going to use it. Why not? Mix them up and let it boil for a while. Now, make sure everything is cooked. I'm going to add fish sauce. You can also add little bit sugar in. Mix them up and ready to serve. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.